Hey folks, 828 Find Adventure. Have you ever wondered about those subscription boxes that you can get through the mail? You order them online, you can set your preferences and get them. I've been doing them for about a year now with my son, with a company called Bespoke. And I'm gonna show you some of the things they've sent. And it's been kind of fun for him to get something every month or so. Maybe some clothes, maybe some outdoor stuff, maybe some cooking stuff. He's gotten a lot of different things. I'm gonna show you a few. But we've done that about a year, and I've recently switched over to another one that is more camping and survival oriented, just to get some neat gadgets and stuff. And I'm gonna add up the cost and see if it's worth it. See if you're actually getting more for your money with this subscription box. And so let's get started here. So one thing I got here, so with the Bespoke that we had been doing, we got a lot of cool stuff. He got my son got some nice socks. He got a sweater type thing, dress shirts, like flannel type shirts, different things like that. I set his size, so he got the right size. Really nice quality clothes that he wears. It's just kind of fun stuff to get. It's like getting a birthday present or a present sent to you every month. A couple other cool things that came with one month was a hammock set. So it came with a really nice high quality hammock. This one also has the ropes and the carabiners to tie it to a tree. And it also came with this heavyweight blanket, which you can stuff in this pocket right here, but it's this really nice heavy blanket. I like it. I actually leave it in the car just to have an extra blanket in the car, and it's like really good quality. So I pay like $40 a month for that Bespoke box, and you definitely get stuff that's worth $40 or more, should I say. The quality's there though, so I have a feeling it would cost a little more than $40 or whatever the wholesale cost is. They also send you some interesting things. Now you can set your preferences so you don't get stuff like this. But so I've got things like the machete. This thing right here. This is it's like a really sharp, very sharp Japanese style machete. And it's let's see if I can do this just like in the videos, but I mean, look at that, folks. This thing is razor sharp. My son, I don't know if this is something I want him whacking around with. This is a dangerous weapon right here. It's not something you keep in your car. This is, this is something that you use to chop up some wood. Because, like I said, this thing is sharp. But you'll take a finger off with one whack. So just, keep that in mind. It did come with a really nice holster though. Again, this one's from Bespoke, and they do a lot of knives and camping stuff. So I just wanted to show you that. Another little thing from Bespoke that I got is this one. Sent you this little bag with a fire starter bottle opener and this pocket knife here. And this is one of those, it's kind of an older classic style. They've been making these for like 100 years. It's really nice. Has this little piece here you turn to lock it. Very sharp. Again, you will carve your finger right off. So, you have to be careful with these. So, my son's into carving wood. He has a knife he likes to use for that. So he carves different things. They all, vampire steaks, whatever they are. They all look like they're pointy, like he's going hunting with them. That's a few things from Bespoke. So I got this new one, and it came with some really cool stuff, but I wanted to see if it was actually worth it. I priced these things. You can find them on the web. You can find some on Amazon, and I put the prices down and I added them up. Was it worth it? Well, let's check it out. So it came with some Ready Wise adventure meals This is like a camping meal. You add water, hot water to it, stir it up, let it sit, and then you can eat it. And this is the breakfast skillet. These are pretty cool. These run around, 12 bucks. So, ching, $12. So, we've got that. And this is in one box. All this stuff came in. So, it came with a battle bandage. These are great for, if you fall on a stick, you carve up your leg with a pedal on a mountain bike. You cut yourself with one of these sharp knives or hatchets. You would need something like this to dress that wound. Clean it out, put a bandage on it. So it's always good to keep one of these in your glove box, in your backpack, whatever. Just keep one with you. I always keep one close by. The same as I do with Quick Clot and all that stuff. So here's this. The battle bandage. You're looking at almost $18 for this. So remember that. This box was $65 shipped to my house. So we're adding up here. Then we got this Uberleben modern firecraft tool. I think that's how you say it, Uberleben. I'm probably mispronouncing that because that's just me. But this is pretty cool. It's a fire starter. So this thing here, and this stuff is great quality. They're not sending you cheap stuff. So what we got here is both of these. Now I like this one better than using a knife. When you use like a knife against something, it tends to, I don't know, I think it would dull the blade eventually, but this works. It's got a long stick here that you can cause sparks off of and start a fire. So you've got plenty there to do that. I like this. It's well made, and has a little bottle opener on here, a little place here to start your fire. This is nice. We'll test this out in another video. Okay, so that right there, $18 also. So, that's it's adding up quick, boys. So let's boys and girls. So let's see what we got. What else we got? Oh, here we go. We got a Super Bivy by My Medic. This is basically like one of those emergency sleeping bag type things. This one is also heat reflective, so and it comes in this little bag. That's pretty cool. You keep that in your car in case you got, I don't know, in case you were in Tahoe and it was snowing like 20 feet a minute or whatever the hell it was. It was like tsunami of snow. So you get this. Now a Super Bivy, I wrote these prices down, it's 15 bucks. It's adding up quick. Remember, I just paid 65 or 64 for this box. So another thing it came with, now remember the fire starter I just showed you? It also comes with this wood hot fire starters. These things light really easy. I'll have to try it out with these to see how quick these light up, but they're gonna light up quick. So, these right here, the fire starter, they're, these are $11. So they're lower, but the others, you see how fast this is adding up. So there we go, we got $11 there. This one right here, this is the pod light. This thing like strobes and lights up, and you can do all kinds of stuff with this. They're great to have if you're broke down on the side of the road. You can sit this on the road behind your car, and people will be able to see it. This one is waterproof as well. That'd be kind of cool to take down in the swimming pool at night, let it strobe, disco pool. But anyways, this is by Pod X. Now this thing here, it feels real lightweight because there's no batteries in it. But if you put batteries in it, look at this, $24.99. So again, I paid $64 for this box. That box has a total amount. Now some of these I priced on Amazon, got the prices. Some were just on the web. Guess what? Guess what that comes to, folks? $98.32, the way I priced it today. So think about that. I paid $64 for all this stuff. Now you can do this monthly, quarterly, whatever you want. I just did this one for the month just to see if it was up to snuff. I think it is. Might do a couple more of these and see how they do. I'll put links to both of these subscription boxes under the video in the description. So, check them out. This is really cool stuff. Like I do for my son, he gets like something every month. It's just, it's kind of fun. And you know, if you're a grandparent or a parent and your kid's off of college or something, you can send them something. Now, like I said, you can set the preferences. You don't want to be sending them weapons at college. You know, you can send him socks or something else he needs. You know, a jacket, a shirt, whatever, sunglasses. They even have shoes. They have all kinds of stuff. The cooking stuff's pretty cool as well. We got something to make hot sauce. Thought that was pretty neat. And another thing for making taco shells. So pretty cool stuff. So be sure to check it out. And, you know, let me know what you think. And if you would, leave a comment. And let me know about the other boxes maybe you've had. And which ones seem to be smoking deals. Because I'm always looking for something like that. And, you know, we will see you next time. See ya! And if you would, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps motivate me and helps my channel grow. Thanks a lot, folks. See ya.